Wahyu 10, Revelation 10, dan aku seorang malaikat lain yang kuat turun dari surga berselubungkan awan, dan pelangi ada di atas kepalanya, dan mukanya sama seperti matahari, dan kakinya bagaikan tiang api. And I saw another mighty angel come down from heaven, clothed with a cowl, and a rain was upon his head, and his face was as it were the sun, and his feet as pillar of fire. Dalam tangannya ia memegang sebuah gulungan kitab kecil yang terbuka. Ia menginjakkan kaki kanannya di atas laut dan kaki kirinya di atas bumi. And he had in his hand a little book open, and he set his right foot upon the sea, and his left foot on the earth. Dan ia berseru dengan suara nyaring sama seperti singa yang mengaum. Dan sesudah ia berseru ketujuh guru itu, perdengarkan suaranya, and cried with a loud voice, as when a lion roared. And when he had cried, 700 uttered their voice. Dan sesudah ketujuh guru itu selesai berbicara, aku mau menuliskannya, tetapi aku mendengar suatu suara dari surga berkata, "Meteraikanlah apa yang dikatakan oleh ketujuh guru itu, dan janganlah engkau menuliskannya." And when the seven thunders and had uttered their voice, I was about to write, and I heard a voice from heaven saying unto me, "Shut up those things which the seven thunder utter, and write them not." Dan malaikat yang kulihat berdiri di atas laut dan di atas bumi mengangkat tangan kanannya ke langit. And the angel which I saw stand upon the sea and upon the earth lift up his hand to heaven. Dan ia bersumpah demi Dia yang hidup sampai selama-lamanya, yang telah menciptakan langit dan segala isinya, dan bumi segala isinya, dan laut dan segala isinya, katanya, tidak akan ada penundaan lagi. And swear by him that live forever and ever, who created heaven and the things that therein are, and the earth and the things that therein are, and the things which are therein, that there shall be time no longer. Tetapi pada waktu bunyi sangkakala dari malaikat yang ketujuh, yaitu apabila ia meniup sangkakalanya, maka akan genaplah keputusan rahasia Allah seperti yang telah ia beritakan kepada hamba-hambanya, yaitu para nabi. But in the days of the voice of the seventh angel, when he shall begin to sound, the mystery of God shall be finished, as he had declared to his servant the prophet. Dan suara yang telah kudengar dari langit itu berkata pula kepadaku, katanya, "Pergilah, ambillah gulungan kitab yang terbuka di tangan malaikat yang berdiri di atas laut dan di atas bumi itu." And the voice which I heard from heaven spake unto me again and said, "Go and take little book which is open in the hand of the angel which stand upon the sea and upon the earth." Lalu aku pergi kepada malaikat itu dan meminta kepadanya supaya ia memberikan gulungan kitab itu kepadaku. Katanya kepadaku, "Ambillah dan makanlah dia. Ia akan membuat perutmu terasa pahit, tapi di dalam mulutmu ia akan terasa manis seperti madu." And I went unto the angel and said unto him, "Give me the little book." And he said unto me, "Take it and eat it up, and it shall make the belly bitter, but I shall be in thy mouth sweet as honey." Lalu aku mengambil kitab itu dari tangan malaikat itu dan memakannya di dalam mulutku. Ia terasa manis seperti madu, tetapi sesudah aku memakannya, perutku menjadi pahit rasanya. And I took the little book out of the angel's hands and ate it up, and it was in my mouth sweet as honey, and as soon as I had eaten it, my belly was bitter. Maka ia berkata kepadaku, engkau harus bernubuat lagi kepada banyak bangsa, dan kaum, dan bahasa, dan raja. And he said unto me, thou knowest prophecy again before many people and nation and town and kings.